Something is killing them! Something invisible. Something unstoppable. H5N1. The bird flu. It arrived silently on wind currents and feathered wings. In one colony, everything changed. The virus doesn't just infect, it destroys. Multiple organs fail at once. Mothers, driven mad by sickness, abandon their newborns. Pups starve. Helpless. Alone. 95%. Think about that! An entire generation erased in weeks. But this isn't the end of the story. It's just the beginning. The virus is still out there, spreading, evolving, and nobody knows where it strikes next. The ocean's giants are dying, and we're only beginning to understand why. This is a warning. Are we listening?